Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Deborah. Today I'm just doing another draw for my birthday giveaway. I had 5 people contact me, but unfortunately one person didn't. And I said that it would be until the 31st, which was yesterday Australian time. So I'm going to do a redraw on it. So I'm just going to grab the URL, and I've got the comment picker opened here. And let's get the number of comments. It shouldn't have changed. And it hasn't, it's still 63. So this is just for 1 pack of postcards, and good luck everyone. Let's go. Now, if you've won before, oh, there you go, it's Julie DeCosta. I was going to say, if you've won before, then you couldn't win again, obviously, but Julie didn't win any of the postcards. So I'm not sure where Julie is, but she says, happy birthday, Deborah. And thanks very much, Julie. And I will get your stuff out to you. If you can send me your address, please, so that I can post them off to you. And that's really it for today. That's all I wanted to do. So I hope that you're all enjoying the new year, and I will catch you in the next video. This is Deborah. Cheers.